Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, rolls, lasers, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you some amazing machinery we just purchased. We love a good deal and we love to bring you one as well. Take a look here. Every machinery you see is a demo machine. Some of them have not even been turned on. They are super clean. All here, ready for you at any time. Some great discounts. We're bringing these all to Sterling. All these machinery is going to be available for you at a discounted price. Demo machinery from Sterling Machinery. This Baileigh equipment is some really nice equipment depending on what you're making. You can see there's some great stuff here. Mills, lathes, rolls, shears, planishers, English wheels, iron workers, you name it. Just about the whole line. There's just about something for everybody here. So take a look. Let us know what you're looking for.
We look forward to showing you the latest and greatest machinery Sterling Machinery Exchange and Baileigh Machinery have to offer.